The Riddle of the Sand is my second book. It's written by Erskine Childers, and this story is kind of like mysterious. This this story's main character is Carruthers, who is a sailor in a British sailor, and he met his good old friend Arthur Davies and Arthur Davies is on his yacht holiday, and Carruthers thinks that it will be like very luxury, but actually the yacht is just like a small boat. And after they both go on their holiday, they um Carruthers had a hard time driving the yacht because he's not good at it. So the two sailors hardly across the North Sea into the Baltic, heading off the Frisian Islands and off the coast of it's off the coast of Germany. So Carruthers had learned quickly to know how to sail the small small boat.